Of course, we know an apple, an umbrella, a computer, a book. It is so simple, but when should we use a? When should we use an? Is it confusing? Honestly, no, it is not. This is one of the most simple grammar lessons, and I'm here to tell you why. I am Bahar and I want you to enjoy English as I do. And if this video is useful for you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Today I am here to talk about the differences between the articles a and an. Also, you will learn a tricky way to use the correct article for your word. Are you ready? Let's watch it, learn it. Alright, first things first. You must know that we use a or an when there is not an important or a specific person or thing, like a lamp, a man, an apple. See? These nouns are some usual and normal words. They are not about something or someone special. So you need to use a or an before these nouns. Let's continue with our main lesson. You need to use a when the word begins with a consonant sound, not just letter. Consonant sounds are like f, k, t, like flower, cabinet, water, like a flower, a card, a unicorn. Take a look at this word. Although unicorn begins with a vowel, it begins with a consonant sound, so we should say a unicorn. Another example, we can say a university. Well, as you can see, university starts with a vowel, but it starts with a consonant sound. So, we must use a. We can say a university. Alright, let's move on to the next step. When do we need an? We use an when our word begins with a vowel sound. Again, we must listen to the beginning of the word's sound. And for vowel sounds, I mean A, E, I, O, and U sounds, like an egg, an 8-year-old girl, an hour, an umbrella. Look at hour. Although the word begins with a consonant, it starts with a vowel sound, so we have to say an hour, an hour. Okay, it's your turn. I will tell you some words and you have to choose the correct article for me. And after 5 seconds, I will tell you the correct answer. Are you ready? Let's go. The first word is ant. Excellent! The word ant starts with a vowel sound, so we have to say an ant. The word number 2 is ugly cat. Perfect! Again, because the word starts with a vowel sound, we have to say an ugly cat. An ugly cat. Alright, number 3 is golden watch. Bravo! You are getting better and better. The word golden starts with a consonant sound, so we have to say a golden watch. And the word number 4, we have flag. Great! The word flag starts with a consonant sound f, so we have to say a flag. Alright. And the last word, which is a little bit hard, I want you to answer it in the comments. The word is $1. $1. I will wait for your answers in the comments below. Okay guys, that was it for today's video. Don't forget to comment down below and tell me the correct answer from the last question. I will wait for your correct answer. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. So yeah, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye. Have a nice day.